So this is an example of a much more complex request directly to AIMS360 to build a sales and order performance dashboard. So you can see the prompt here on the left side of the screen where we basically asked it to create an interactive executive sales and order performance dashboard using all of the available items currently accessible by AIMS360. And so these types of dashboards can take a few extra minutes to create, but once they're created, they provide a great amount of information directly to brand users. So we can scroll through and see all of the information as to how it went through and created everything. But most importantly, when the prompt is completed, the dashboard immediately appears on the right-hand side of the screen here. And of course, you can expand that out in most cases by just clicking on the expand options. So this is an example of the types of data that you can get directly from the AIMS360 AI, where we're looking at our year-to-date information directly from our connected AIMS360 system. We have some date filter information at the top of the screen. It provided us with trending by week, month, quarter, and year, comparisons against prior year or prior period easily. There are some top metrics here, ordered by dollar, ordered by unit, invoiced dollars and units, etc. So this is a great way to have a quick overview of exactly what is occurring in your business based on that date range. And then as we scroll down in this dashboard, we can see other information, the booked versus invoiced dollars, or of course you can select to see that by the number of units that were booked or invoiced as well. So that's a quick update that you can do. It's showing you some of the period detail. By the way, at the top of the screen, right now we have this set to by month. So at the top of the screen, if we say by week, now that graph is going to change and show us weekly exactly what might have been occurring. Or we can say by the quarter, and then based on the date range, what may have occurred, right? So it's a very easy way to update that data very quickly and see the information displayed live on the dashboard. We have invoice conversion options here, how many were completed, open, how many were canceled, detailed information about conversion and pricing off to the side as well, performance by dimension, meaning by customer. You can switch this to by style. You can switch it to style and color, right? Sometimes certain colors of a style may be popular, but overall one style may perform better than others if we're not looking at color-related data, right? By sales rep, by channel, by division, any of these things that you want to select, you can easily go in and see by just selecting this interactive dashboard option, right? And again, we even have options between dollars and units readily available right on the dashboard itself. So this is something that can be easily created directly from our AI integration to ChatGPT, or in this instance, this is Claude, showing us exactly the types of data that users can quickly create and quickly access from this AI integration. The other nice thing about it is that a dashboard like this can potentially be scheduled to be updated or rerun on a regular basis, and or it is possible through your request to ask the Claude or ChatGPT to add a refresh option directly on the dashboard, which is something that we would recommend. Though the scheduling option, which is available, right, you can go in and you can create schedules for many of the dashboard items that you may be creating via AIMS360. So this is just a nice example of the type of executive or overview dashboard that can be created through our AI.